Hi students, I am here to convey an important message for you. You know that we all are affected with COVID-19 and we are unable to go to schools. Okay, there is no regular schooling during this period. I am sure that your teachers will be trying their hard best, to provide the materials or the classes through online. We are also doing our best to impart the proper knowledge at proper time for you. At this present scenario, the board has decided to reduce the topic for the exam structure for the academic year 2021 by 30%. They have decided to reduce the topic and the new course structure has arrived yesterday. Now, when you prepare for your examination, this syllabus should be with you and you can download the new structure of all the syllabus, all the topics or all the subjects can be downloaded from the link given below. So, be safe at your home, you do not go outside unnecessarily and you follow the instructions given by your teachers and parents. Okay, so stay safe at home and start learning. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, you can subscribe it and you can share with your friends. Our further videos will be based on the new course structure issued by the board for your board examination. Thank you.